Day. My name is Lollie, and I am a registered dental hygienist. National Dentist Day was created in 1790 for Dr. John Greenwood, who was the personal dentist to George Washington. I would like to take the time to recognize the entire dental community and say thank you for keeping our smiles beautiful. And to my fellow hygienists, keep arresting those unhealthy mouths. And to the public, always remember to visit your dentist regularly.